Now, as pointed out earlier, when we use cut and paste or copy and paste, our cells are duplicated completely in terms of value and format and whatever else they may contain. But what if we only wanted to replicate certain properties from a copied cell? In this case, the Paste Special feature comes in super handy. Similar to before, just copy values from a cell, but then this time click on the arrow next to the paste icon in Ribbon. This will expand the menu and you will see new paste options. It's important to note that these extended paste options will only be displayed when you use the copy function and not if you use cut. To see what each icon is for, you can hover your cursor over the icons one by one. These extended paste options are the shortcuts for what we call Paste Special. If we click on Paste Special at the bottom, we will see all of them along with more listed in a separate pop-up menu. Now we can also access these extended paste options by right-clicking on a cell. Let's try some of them out. Let's click on cell B9 and copy it. Singh is Ishan's last name, so we need to paste it in cell E5. But we don't want the cell fill color and text color pasted. We simply want the text by itself, which is called the cell value. To do this, click on cell E5, then open Paste Special and select Values Only. There we go. We have pasted exactly what we wanted. You can see the difference between the original cell copied and the pasted cell. Let's try once more. Let's copy the cell that says Richardson and paste it as Tim's last name. The original cell contains a border, but we can use Paste Special to paste the cell as is but without the border. Paste Special is incredibly useful when you need to have control over how your copied cells are displayed and what they contain. Now, a very useful sub-feature of Paste Special is to transpose cells. Transposing allows us to copy data from a row and paste them in column form and vice versa. To see how it works, let's make another first name, last name table, but in a different orientation with our column headings running down vertically instead of across horizontally. Let's highlight and copy cells D3 and E3. Now choose a blank cell underneath and click Paste Special and this time select Transpose. Our column headings have now been transposed. We can do this to multiple cells simultaneously too. Let's highlight all our first and last names, then click on cell E9 and under Paste Special, select Transpose again. Transposing can save us a lot of time, especially when we need to change the orientation of a large data set for any purpose. Now, another way we can move cells around is to drag and drop. To drag and drop cells, simply hover your cursor over the edge of a cell until it turns into this 4-arrowed cross symbol. Then, drag your cursor wherever you want to move your cell to and let go to drop the cell. We can also, of course, drag and drop multiple selected cells by highlighting them and then activating drag and drop when our cursor turns into this cross symbol. Remember, whenever you use the paste function or drag and drop for that matter, it will override and replace any existing cells at your selected destination. You should be very careful of this, and if you make a mistake, you can always use the undo function. Undo can be found as a default command in our quick access toolbar right at the very top, or we can apply undo at any time by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Z.